Like other brands, on the 9th of November 2024, Itel unveiled two of their latest smartphones, Itel S25 and Itel S25 Ultra. Yeah, some people went for both, but many are still on the fence, confused, considering which one to go for. In this review, we'll compare the two phones from design to performance to determine which one is better overall and offers the best value for your money. Should you go for S25 or S25 Ultra? Or maybe forget about Itel and go for other brands entirely. Hello and welcome back to my channel Tech Insight with Ike. If this is your first time here, please give this video a thumbs up, share this information with your friends, and subscribe to my channel as a token of your support and to get notified by YouTube when new videos like this are created. Without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, here are they, the S25 and S25 Ultra. Let me start by telling us that the both phones target the entry-level market, typically ranging from 208,500 naira to 269,990 naira. You can check these prices in your own currency. So looking into the design and build quality, the phones came in three stunning color options, giving you the freedom to choose the one that best suits your style. On body building, the both are made of plastic, but here's the game changer. The S25 Ultra has a cunning Gorilla Glass 7i front, a Titan shield protection on the back, and can survive up to 25,000 impacts. That's a high-level security measure if you ask me. They are all visible in sunlight, with S25 having upper hand with 1,800 nits, while S25 Ultra is having 1,400 nits. The button placement is standard, just like on other phones, with volume rockers and power buttons on the sides. On thickness and weight, with a thickness of 7.3mm and weight 185 grams, Itel S25 is bigger and heavier to feel, unlike S25 Ultra, which is thin like a blade, with thickness 6.9mm and weight 163 grams. On back features, are there any difference on the back features? Of course there is. The Itel S25 has a single main camera of 50 megapixels, an auxiliary lens, and ring LED flash, while Itel S25 Ultra has a dual main camera of 750 megapixels, a macro lens, and a LED flash. On IP rating, they both boost an IP rating for dust and splash resistance, with S25 having IP resistance of 54, while S25 Ultra an IP rate of 64. This feature alone provides added peace of mind to the user. Can you operate them with weight hands? Yes. The S25 supports weight hands only, while S25 Ultra shows more power with a support of weight and oily hands. Display technology is where the lights blow, and the S25 boosts a 6.78 super bright AMOLED display. The same is S25 Ultra, but with 3D curve. On latency, for gamers, I think this may interest you. Both models support Super Wi-Fi, providing ultra-low latency for seamless gaming. On battery life, they came with a massive 5,000 mAh battery and super fast charging rate of 18 watts using Type-C charging ports. But here is the difference. The S25 Ultra has a premium advantage here. It comes with a bypass charging technology, meaning that it can be powered directly without passing through the battery. Funny enough, none of them support wireless charging and run only 4G network. Should this be the reason for you to go for other brands? Drop your answers in the comment box below. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel as a token of your support to my efforts. Let's continue. Now, the processing capacity. The two models have octa-core processors with advanced RISC machine, Cortex A75 up to 2.2 GHz, coupled with a graphite cooling system. In storage capacity, the S25 Ultra shows another premium quality with a massive 16GB RAM and 512GB ROM, compared to S25 16GB RAM and 128GB ROM respectively. Camera quality. Both has 50 megapixel ultra clear camera and a 32 megapixel AI selfie camera with resolutions of 1080 by 2436 pixels each. They also brag about Super Night mode capturing. Another good side of this model is that they both have dual view video recording ability. If you are a vlogger, I think this will make sense to you. RGB building lights provide different lighting effects to indicate various message status and fingerprint sensors. While both can handle everyday tasks, the S25 Ultra has a bit more headroom for demanding apps. Thermal management is typically decent on both, with neither of them prone to significant throttling under normal use. Software-wise, both run on Android, the latest Itel 14.5 version, and are upgradable to Android 15. The user interface is usually Itel stylish UI design with enhanced desktop widget functionalities, offering you a more aesthetically pleasing and seamless system experience. Both support GPT AI Assistant, AI Core Orchestration, AI Wallpaper, and Ask AI. They also boast a dynamic bar and the presence of smart decode. Audio ability. The audio quality is generally functional on both. The single downward wireless speaker provides the same loudness for media compression and pause. A 3.5mm headphone jack is present, though audio codec support might be basic. Core quality is acceptable, with decent noise cancellation. Connectivity is standard. Both support 4G Lite, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. Near-field communication is also present. Port selection is usually a micro USB port for charging and data transfer. On cost, the Itel S25 is a budget-friendly workhorse for basic needs. Its strength lies in its affordability. The Itel S25 Ultra offers slightly better performance, a potentially superior camera, a more refined design and higher IP rating, justifying its slightly higher price. In summary, if I may ask, which model wins? Well, in my opinion, on design and build quality, I give it to S25 Ultra, while on display, the time. On performance, I give it to S25 Ultra, while on camera quality, the time. On battery life, I give it to S25 Ultra, while on audio quality, the time. They also tie in connectivity. On value for money, sure, S25 Ultra got it. Now my final verdict.